there. See how fast that took? I think it was less than 10 seconds. Well, thank you, Hawk, and UFO or whatever you were that went by there. Almost had it there. See, we've got another object going by here. Tether on this one. Got some, this is going against the wind. I'll show you in a second. Zoom out. Wind's blowing that way pretty good. Look, it's actually all over the place. And I was kind of shaky there, but they look interesting. Definitely a lot of garbage. A lot of garbage going by right now too. But I don't know if it's all garbage. Yeah, there's quite a bit of garbage. These guys active today. Still been watching out for this stuff. Yesterday was looking pretty gnarly. Let's see if we get the third one. Where are you? Over there. There you are. Garbage floating around. We got these white objects tagging it. There's been several other weird things floating around along with this garbage. It's like someone released it. It's like someone opened a trash lid somewhere. It's a windy day. Not sure about some of these objects. We had one of those spinners go by earlier. See? Not sure what those are. See, this one's just, it's possible that it's just, this one's floating in place. Let's see if I can cue in on it. Something went by quick there. Let's see, where you at? This one is just standing in one spot, and it could be that it's caught in a, like a, just an air thing. What would you say? What would you call it? Little air vortex or something. And it is spinning also, so who knows? It could be one of these weird anomaly things. A lot of them are rectangular shaped. All these weird movements, but they also could move intelligently. I've seen them do it before. Kind of weird. It's a mixture of garbage and weird objects, I'm saying. hawk still hanging out. Got a little footage of him earlier. Where are you, hawk? There you are. Something went under it there, possibly. Did a little loop. Is that a planet? I don't think it's a plane. I'd say a planet. Super bright below. Maybe we'll whip out the telescope tonight. What's up, mate? Hey, what's up? Alright, got something here. It's Saturday morning. We just premiered a video. Actually uploaded a couple videos yesterday, a couple of shorts. Seems to have a tether at times, but watch it here for a bit. Yeah, I'm starting to pan down slightly. Seems to be dropping in elevation. Something went on down on the left side of the screen. I'm not sure. Black blur. There's the flyby. Slight wind, but seems to be heading kind of northwest direction. Zoom out here. Over that way. Yeah, I don't think that was their conventional balloon. I was putting some thoughts out there and just kind of scanning the skies, and that appeared, so interesting. Got something else going on here. seeing this video, some clips from yesterday. Yesterday was very windy. It's pretty windy now. There was a bunch of garbage, like someone opened a massive garbage lid, and there's just a bunch of what seemed like trash flying around, and it was actually blowing. Wind was blowing the opposite way it usually does here. And I've seen that happen before, where like some garbage just start floating around, and keep an eye out for that. But yesterday was a mixture of, I believe, orbs, some anomalous objects, and garbage, debris. So I went ahead and just put that video up also. So this one twinkling around there. Activity's starting to pick up here. Seems like October. Keep mentioning it had calmed down. Seems to be ramping up now. So stay watching the skies here. All right, here goes that object again. But I changed the setting on my phone. I'm on HD. I think I just figured out that I could zoom in. It's just 15 times. Check out the quality difference. So this object's been slowly twinkling and moving from where we originally spotted it. And it is going against the wind here, so I'll show you. Started over there, it's headed up that way, but you'll see the sock here. It's pretty much been blowing that way. On the video from yesterday where the trash was blowing all over the place, I was pointing out that I believe the sock was maybe going that way, and I was trying to point that out, but at the time the sock was all over the place. It was super windy, so the wind was all over. Usually for the most part it goes that way, like it is now, and that object is headed that way. So kind of interesting. Maybe the wind is blowing that way up there, I don't know, but yeah, we'll check out this new setting. Oh yeah, I got one there. Moon's in the way. Trippy. I don't think that was a shooting star. Seemed like it came out of nowhere. Active day and night today. See what else happens.